Hi, welcome back to Bites MD. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Niçoise salad. It is a salad that originated from Nice of France. We were just there recently and we literally had this salad every day because we fell in love with it, and we'll show you how to make it. It's so easy and simple. I'm going to boil my eggs in room temperature water because this is going to be a lot easier to peel later. I'm going to cook this for about 8 minutes if you run a runny yolk, a little bit longer if you want a hard-boiled egg. My wife personally prefers a hard-boiled egg over a soft-boiled egg. Peeling underneath water will make it a lot easier to peel so it doesn't stick. I'm going to add some cloves of garlic in here, some thyme. I would also add a bay leaf as well, but I just found out I am out of bay leaves. Normally, if I'm boiling my potatoes, I'll put it in cold water and then bring it to boil as it cooks evenly. But because I'm using fingerling potatoes, these are pretty small and they cook pretty fast. The potatoes are done if you can easily use a toothpick and just poke right through. Okay, just cut these in half. I'm using snow pea leaves as my greens. You can use like butter lettuce, whatever type of greens you want to use. I just really like snow pea leaves. And I'm just going to dry them up as much as possible because the water prevents it from adhering to the dressing. Cut off the ends of the green beans. In the same water, I'm going to put my green beans in there and just blanch them real quick. Probably just cook it for like a minute in boiling water and drain this out. I'm going to transfer my green beans into cold water. This will help keep it vibrant green and also crunchy at the same time. Olive oil, butter, I have here some anchovies marinated in olive oil. Add a teaspoon of red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, oregano, thyme, touch of lemon juice. Add some fresh Thai chilies in here, just a small amount. They're pretty spicy. I very finely minced ginger garlic. I'm just going to grind up the anchovies. I'm not adding any salt in here because the anchovies itself is quite salty. And then if your anchovies don't have olive oil in them, you can just add about 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Give this a good whisk, mix everything together. And be sure to taste test as well. I want a little bit more lemon juice, just so it's a little bit more vibrant. Add a touch more olive oil. I just want a little bit more liquid. I'm going to transfer some of the dressing onto a different container because I don't want to use too much for my salad. I'm going to mix the rest of my salad inside this mixing bowl. I have my greens in here. The oil in this dressing will help soften up the greens a bit. I have my green beans in here. I have my potatoes. I'll toss everything together.
I'm ready. Ooh, this looks good. Basic salad. Just like a pork salad.
That's tuna.
As I said, a tuna salad. Potatoes. The sauce is good.
I guess I could have chopped it up some.
It's good.
Any comments? Any comments?
It's very fresh and light. Perfect for summertime. Tuna's good. It's that expensive tuna, huh? No canned tuna for us.